What's up, monkeys? In today's video, I will be attempting to juke people in infection without moving. That's right, without moving a muscle. Okay, maybe a muscle, maybe some, but maybe some. But yeah, I'm gonna be attempting to juke people in infection without moving. Okay, so let's get into it from a yeah. Subscribe. Lobby 1. Something I always love to do, and I'm getting pretty good at it too. Oh, whoa! There's two? Whoa! Hold the phone, Farmer Wham. Hold the phone. Yo, we got John, bro. Which one's the imposter? Can you pick? Oh, you still done it. Can you pick which one is the imposter?
If you want, you can do some wall.
That's fine. It's this one. No! Oh, I can't jump! Ooza! Oh my God!
Bro, where?
Bruh!
Where was he?
It was in the crystals! He was in the crystals! Bro, he was in the crystals and he was like the opposite color.
Bro, like everybody passed him 20 times, bro.
No, bro, please don't tag me, man. I'm taking a drink.
Why do you have to camp though? Camping's fucking stupid.
Oh crap! Lava monkey! 12
Yo,
o'clock!
please don't tag me, please. Yo, please don't tag me.
No! I'm switching to a farm's lobby, guys. See you later, guys. Yo, Pineapple!
Hey. Yeah?
Shout out to you.
I do TikTok, just make it new.
Yo, what's your TikTok?
Pineapple Dog Virtual Reality. I just recently started. I somehow have 200 followers.
Yo, go follow this guy, okay? He's really cool. There we go.
Flip off, buddy. You suck.
Okay, yo. Piss in the fucking beach, bruh.
Like where? Like on this guy? Like on this guy?
Wait. Yo.
Where's your bathroom?
Yo, can I have a drink?
Yeah. What drink do you want? What drink do you want?
Yo, do you have some chocolate? Some chocolate.
Oh yeah, I got chocolate.
Oh yeah, I love some chocolate, bruh.
Wait.
Yo, thank you, bro. Yo, that was some very, very warm ice cream, bro. Are you sure that was ice cream? Yo, I'm getting a PC soon, 22nd of November. So I'll be able to do like Steam VR crap and be able to get a camera mod. Maybe do a couple ghost trolling videos, you know. I'll make a separate account for for modding. I'll do a separate account. So I'll have my Oculus account. Oh wait, yo, I think, yeah, because I already have 2 Steam accounts. So I can use my Steam account, my second Steam account for modding, and my first which is my uncle's Steam account for like just the cameraman stuff. Legal menus. Know what I'm saying, guys? Yo, this shit ain't feeling up, bro. That is not a very, very good burp. Okay. All right.
Do a scram.
31. 30. No, I killed many your game. 64.
Yes. Alright, guys, we can actually finally do the video. Yo, editor, please put the timestamp of where we actually start juking kids at the beginning of the video, please.
Let me be the ref.
Alright, guys, we have to stay on the phone. Oh. Yo, golden hat, what's up, bro? What's up, bro? I'm gonna go left. Juke this. Yo, GG, bro. Okay, yo, okay, one successful juke. One successful juke. You good, Doug? Okay. Yo, I think Doug was sleeping, bro. I wish you a Merry Christmas. I wish you a Merry Christmas. I wish you a Merry Christmas and a happy, succulent, scrumptious chocolate cake. Yeah. Chocolate cake. Chocolate cake. Chocolate cake. Chocolate cake. Chocolate cake. Oh, yo, what the flizzy? Yo, what the glizz flizz, bro? Also, the reason I haven't been able to upload for ages, and I've only been stuck to doing like shorts, was because, yo, editor, show them a picture of my headset. My original Oculus engraved headset.